On 9th March, I ordered some gym clothes from a brand called Coitonic. It has some pros, it has some cons. Let's just get into it. So I'm done with the unboxing. Let's check the fit.
Alright, so first things first, we have got these brown wide-legged joggers and the white tank top. Personally, they are too wide for me, probably get them altered. The next one is this oversized fit tee. I like the fit of this one, the fabric quality is also fine for the gym. Then we got my favorite one. This is a charcoal grey 100% polyester gym t-shirt. I like the fit of this one. Now let's switch on some colors. This is the white one. The next thing in line are these gym shorts. I haven't seen a separate phone compartment at this place in any of the shorts before, so it's kinda unique. The last product is this gym short. Can be controversial for some people, but I like it.
We had a look at all the products. Now let's talk about it. Let's talk about the cons first. The logos. The logos are each and everywhere and not in a very good way. As I showed you in the previous footage, it's already getting out. And now you might say, bhai, exchange kar le. And talking about the second con, the delivery. Looked like इन्होंने एक बंदा जयपुर से उठा के भेजा था पैदल नोएडा में डिलीवरी करने के लिए. It took about almost 7 days. Talking about the third con, they don't have an application yet.
Well, shopping online always develops some trust issues within people, and I am one of them. Like giving your card details, your delivery address to somebody, and they don't even have a proper app. I mean, their competitors, Bonkers or even Sold Store, they all have an application ready, but they don't have it yet. Although they have a COD option, so you can select that and the delivery will arrive after an eternity, and then you can pay them if you prefer that.
Now let's get into the pros. I think the product quality is just fine. I mean, you gotta wear these in gym and usually they will be used a lot. And we'll know after 1 week how it goes, right? Which brings me on to the second pro. The price point. I think the price point is great according to nowadays products, especially talking about Bonkers, the competitors. I think the price point is good. Have you ever ordered something from these guys before? Do let me know in the comments. I would love to know your experience. Till then, subscribe.